Hello everybody, I'm Anayah and today I'll be showing you the correct way of making samosas at home. This is another way to help your parents at home getting ready for Ramadan. Let's see the ingredients. First of all, we have our filling, which is made out of 500 grams of beef mince, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of crushed chili, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, and 1 tablespoon of oil. First of all, to make it, we mix all of the ingredients together. Then we put it on the stove on medium flame. We cook it until everything is dry. Then we chop 3 medium onions finely, and we chop 7 to 8 green chilies finely as well. We add half a bunch of coriander, which is finely chopped too. This is the binding paste, which is made out of 2 tablespoons of flour and 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. We have to mix it well. Finally, we have samosa pastry as required. Let's see how to roll them into a proper samosa triangle. This is how you make a samosa. First, you grab the furthest end from you and fold it until the end. Press it a little bit from the top and then hold it from the bottom. Fold it one more time over your thumb, like this. From the inside, get the little flap and pull it upwards. Hold it from there. Now that we've made a cone, we fill it in with our filling. About a tablespoon into the cone. You shake it a bit, push it down. You bring it to the side, line it up to the side, press it down. You fold it around, flip it over, align it with the corner, then get your binding paste, put a little bit onto the corner, and fold. There we have a nice samosa. I've made loads of samosas. Just joking, my mum made the most because she's really good. I'm just a learner so far, so I only made a few of them. It's time to fry them. Preheat the oil on medium flame, and when it's ready, put the samosas in. After a while, when they start to cook, turn them over gently. Almost. Yay! We got it! That was a tough one. And now we let them to cook. Go down. Go down! Ugh, annoying. Forget it. It'll cook. Oh my god, look, they're starting to turn golden brown. Turn them from side to side evenly so they don't burn from one side and have a good color at the end. We've added beef mince, but you can add whichever fillings you like. You can have chicken, lamb, vegetarian, non-vegetarian. You can have it as a traditional iftar item, or you could have it for lunch. Never mind, my mom would kill me if I had it for lunch. You could have it as a tea time snack. They are almost ready. Let's flip this one, if I can flip it. There we go. See? Time for the end of swimming time. I'm gonna eat you now. Yummy. Come to me. Oh my god, it's still popping.
Yeah.
Last two. They're all done. Time to eat you. The food is ready, but it's too hot to eat right now. So I'm going to tell you something. You can freeze these samosas like this in a tub, and when you need to take them out and fry them, just fry them. Don't throw them out, otherwise they'll break. If you have an air fryer, you can also air fry them. But we like them deep fried. So, time for the taste test. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3. I didn't get anything because that was the top. Let's try again. 3, 2, 1. That is so crunchy, and that is so much better than the first bite. The mint is delicious, and the onion makes a flavor bomb. I hope you can try this recipe at home, and I hope you enjoy it. Just make sure you practice before you actually, cook it, otherwise it'll burst in the pan. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share these videos with your friends. Have fun at home and stay at home. Stay healthy. Bye!